welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Garima Pandey. I make videos on whatever I like, and please make sure to subscribe this channel because for me every subscriber counts, so please subscribe to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be talking about the little things which I did for my skin to become like this. If you have watched my previous video, you will realize that I was breaking out a lot during last year, and so there are a few points which I would like to share so that it might help you as well. So let's get started. Point number one has to be my major cause of acne. So during first lockdown, everyone, like literally everyone, went crazy over internet related to skincare. They were using different type of handmade mask, that is haldi, and using curd on their faces. So I was like, okay, let me just try that out for me as well. So what I did was I was using haldi and curd with lemon on it, and I applied it over my face. Guess what? The very next day I started to break out, and I didn't realize that time. I was started thinking कि maybe because मेरे को stress है तो फिर मुझे इसलिए break out हो रहा है. No, I wasn't having stress. I was just eating and I was just watching movies. उसमें कौन सा stress होता है I don't know, but I was just blaming it on stress. But the real cause was my skin is already so oily, and haldi, turmeric, is something which is really strong. So it was so strong for skin to handle it. So the very next day I started to break out. So point number two is keep your skincare really minimal. And by minimal, I really mean minimal. Like follow CTM routine, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. You do not necessarily have to use those fancy serums and essential oils on your face if you already have oily skin. Use moisturizer and sunscreen, and to close those open pores you can use a toner or you can use a simple rose water, but do not apply like a lot of serums and oils on your face if you already have like combination my skin type, because my skin is like, so it gets so much oily and there is excess sebum production on my face, so I avoid using a lot of oil and I keep it really minimal. Point number three is using multani mitti. I know I've said that do not use so much natural ingredients on your face, but multani mitti literally did wonders for me, because I was having another cause of my acne was having a large open pores and excess sebum production. So in order to close those pores, I didn't use any sort of medications, or I didn't even go to dermatologist for this. You can see my shadow, my reflection over there, because I'm shooting in my balcony and there is really good lighting here, and so I'm shooting in here, so please ignore my reflection over there, focus on me. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, multani mitti. Okay, multani mitti is something which really tightens your pores, so it helped me a lot to close those pores and really tighten my skin. So I was not using it on a daily basis, but yeah, I was using it once in a week. So you can try that out if that works for you. Point number four is really very basic, and you might have seen this point in every skincare video which you see on YouTube, but it actually does help a lot. When you fix your sleep schedule, when you drink ample amount of water during the day, you will literally see visible difference in your skin and your overall appearance and your upliftment of your mood, right? So when they say it, drink a lot of water, they actually mean it, because drinking water literally provides hydration throughout your body. So drink ample amount of water and have a nice sleep schedule, because it really provides glow to your face. So you can try that out. Now the last point, but definitely not the least one, is law of attraction. So you gotta believe that this is working for me. You gotta believe that my skin is healing. Like your skin has natural property. Your body functioning is such that it literally heals on its own, whether it can be a little injury or when you have wounds, so it is covered by platelets. So in the same way your skin reacts, like give it some months. In my case, whatever acne I was having on my face, it started to clear up after literally 6 to 7 months, because I waited so patiently. I started to believe on my skincare routine. I started to believe every single day that my skin is healing, that my skin is getting better day by day. So in this type of acne to this face, literally I have just used concealer under my eyes, and there is literally no makeup on my face right now. Like, it's just lipstick and mascara, and that's it. So I can go from this place without the help of any dermatologist or without any medications. Then you can also go for it. So keep this thing in mind. So these were the 5 points which I wanted to share with you guys. You can also check you can also follow that for your skin, and you can share the results with me in the comment section below. And I hope you might have found something useful in this video, like some tip. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. And have a good day. And every skin is beautiful, and you are beautiful. So bye.